Okay, so I'm going to start lesson. Before we start, okay, I always do this with you all, and also for Sophia, I want to gauge whether she knows her long division. Okay, so we are going to practice some long division questions. Okay, Sophia, you know how to do your long division? Okay, great. So we will just go through the first example first, and then the next few examples I will ask you all to do on your own and then type the answer in the chat group. Okay, for the first example, all right, I have this for you. So I'm going to split the screen into 3 questions. Ew. Okay, the first question is 913 divided by 6. All right, so as you can see, this is a long division question. What I need to do is I need to write 913 under the umbrella. So this is the divide and 6 on the left-hand side. Sophia, you're familiar with this? Okay, good. Now, Sophia, can you tell me what number should I start with, 9, 1, or 3?
9.
Good. So when we look at 9, is it divisible by 6?
No.
So what is the closest number to 9? Okay, that can be divided by 6 but is smaller.
6.
Good. So I'm going to write minus 6 at the bottom, correct? Is that how I do it, Sophia? And what do I write on top here?
1.
Fantastic. So basically 6 times 1 gives me 6. And I'm left with 3. What is the next step? Sophia?
You bring 1 down.
Fantastic. The rest of you, please focus as well, okay? Okay, now I have 31. Sophia, can 31 be divided by 6 nicely?
No.
So what is the closest number again that can be divided by 6 but is
30.
smaller than 31? Very good. So can you tell me how did I get 30?
6 times 5.
So I'm going to put 5 here. Agree? Because 6 times 5 gives me 30. Okay, last one. I'm going to bring down 3. All right, Sophia, can 13 be divided by 6 nicely?
No.
What is the closest number that can be divided by 6?
12.
Great. So what do I put in the green box here?
2.
Very good. As you all can see, 6 times 2 gives me 12. So for this question, we have a remainder. So don't freak out in the exam if you have a remainder. All right, you might have a remainder, it doesn't matter. Okay, so answer is 152 remainder 1. Kayla and Wen-Xing, are we good? Okay, so I want all you 3 to try this question now. Question 2, 1442 divide by 11. Okay? Okay, the time now is 5:36. I will give you until 5:39 to solve this question. Actually, it's 5:37 already, so 2 minutes. When you are done, type your answer in the chat group. Once again, if you see a remainder, okay, don't freak out. Check to see whether you divided properly. If you check and the remainder is still there, it probably means that there's a remainder in the answer. Okay, you have 1 more minute. 1 minute has just passed. Kayla, you can type the answer in the chat group if you're done. Are you done?
I need to go toilet.
Huh? Lesson just started, you need to go toilet. Do you have the answer first? Can you do this question before you go to the toilet? Good. Sophia's answer is in. Fantastic job. Waiting for Wen-Xing and Kayla. Good job, Sophia. It's already 5:39. Wen-Xing, are you done? How long more do you need? 1 more minute, okay? 5:40, okay? Kayla, are you there? Are you done? 5:40, 1 more minute, please. Very good. Kayla's answer is in. Wen Xing answer. Kayla, you can quickly go to the toilet. Come back soon. Wen Xing is 5:40. Do you have the answer?
Almost done.
Almost done. Hurry up, please. Okay, Wen Xing, Kayla is back. I need the answer. Are you done? Wen Xing, are you done? No. Okay, you help me with this question. I don't know why you're taking so long. Wen Xing, eyes on the screen, please. Okay, Wen Xing, can 1 be divided by 11? Yes or no? Wen Xing, can 1 be divided by 11? Yes or no?
No.
So what do I look at? So what do I look at now? If 1 cannot be divided by 11, so what do I look at now? Wen Xing, you need to participate, yeah? If not, you're holding the rest behind. You're holding the class back. What do I look at now? Hello, Wen Xing. Do you know or you don't know how to do? What is shake head? Know or don't know? I need you to speak into the mic.
Don't know.
Don't know how to do. Okay. If 1 cannot be divided by 11, the next thing I look at is 14. Okay, Wen Xing? Can 14 be divided by 11? Can it be divided nicely by 11, Wen Xing? Yes or no? Wen Xing, can 14 be divided nicely by 11? Wen Xing, I'm talking to you. Hello. You need to reply me. The rest are getting very bored. Can 14 be divided by 11, Wen Xing?
Yes.
Yes, 11 times what gives me 14? Can or cannot? Can you think carefully?
No.
Cannot, right? What is the closest number to 14 that can be divided by 11 but is smaller than 14? Wen Xing, what is the closest number to 14 that can be divided by 11 but is smaller than 14? The rest of you, I want you to do this question for me. I'm going to work on this question with Wen Xing, okay? Okay, the rest of you do this question. Wen Xing, I'm talking to you. What is the closest number to 14 that can be divided by 11, but is smaller than 14? Can you go through the 11 times table in your mind? So what is the closest number?
One,
What? Repeat your
11,
answer. 11, good. So I'm going to minus 11 here. Okay, one thing? What am I left with? What do I write here? What do I write here?
Three.
It's a simple, what?
3,
Good. What do I write in the square here? What times 11 gave me 11?
1,
1, correct? So what is the next step? I need to bring down what number?
4,
Can 34 be divided by 11?
no,
So what is the closest number to 34 that can be divided by 11 but is smaller?
33,
Good. So I'm left with 1 here. Correct, one thing?
yeah,
What number should I put in this circle?
3,
Good. 3 times 11 gives me 33. Finally, I bring down 2. Correct, one thing? Now, let's look at 12. Can it be divided by 11? Good job, Kayla. Sophia waiting for your answer for question 3. One thing? Can 12 be divided by 11?
no,
So what is the closest number to 12 that can be divided by 11?
11,
Good. Minus 11. So what do I put in the bracket here?
1,
Fantastic. So what is the answer? 131, remainder 1. Do you see it, one thing? Okay, good. Sophia, are you done with question 3? Okay, we're going to do this question together, okay? Okay, so same thing. Good, Sophia got the right answer. One thing, can 1 be divided by 12? Yes or no?
oh,
Good. So we put a 0 here. So there should be a 0 here. So sorry, just now I didn't let you know. So what do we look at now? Here we look at 14. So here, what do we look at? One thing?
12,
Very good. So can 12 be divided by 12?
yes,
1, correct? So
yes,
I minus 12, I get 0. What is the next step? What number should I bring down?
3,
Very good. Now, 3 cannot be divided by 12, right? It's too small, right? So what should I put here? If cannot divide, what should I put? Observe here. So what should I put here? So just now 1 was too small to be divided. I put 0 on top. So now if 3 is too small to be divided, what number should I put on top? One see?
0,
Very good. Which means 12 times 0, I minus off 0 again. Make sense? So I get 3. Then what is the next step? One see?
bring down the 2,
Very good. So I have 32. 32 cannot be divided by 12. What is the closest number to 32 that can be divided by 12? So go through your 12 times table in your mind. What is the closest number? Hello, what is the closest number?